Hello everyone. In last video I showed you how to install Python and Yellowbrick on Mac OS. Today I'm going to show you how to install Python and Yellowbrick on Windows 10. As I mentioned before, I will use Anaconda to install Python. So let's go to Google and search for Anaconda download. Anaconda download. We click into it. If you're using a Windows system, it will direct you to the Windows installer, and as we mentioned before, we'll download the Python 3.6 version, and it will take a little while since the file is relatively big, but I already pre-downloaded, so I'll just show you how to install from here. Let's double click the installer. It's a little bit slow on my computer. Okay, this is a setup wizard. Basically, you just click through it. Now we just click next, and then it will ask you to agree with its license term, and you press agree, and then we'll ask you if you want to install for you or for other users, and you just for me, and next. And this here, it will ask you to select a destination folder. I think I will just use the default and click next, and it says the warning will be okay. And here you can customize some installation options, and I'm not going to select this one since it's not recommended, so let's click install, and it will take a while. Now it's finished. Let's click next, and you can decide if you want to install Microsoft VS Code or not, and I'll just skip, and then I will unselect these two items and finish. Now we finished installing Anaconda. Let's open it to see how does it work. Let's search for Anaconda. Okay, Anaconda Navigator. Then you wait a little bit for it to start. My computer is a little bit slow. Can click OK. No, don't show me. As we can see from the Anaconda Navigator, there are lots of software pre-installed in it, and here we're going to use the Jupyter Notebook. Let's click launch. The Chrome window will pop up. Now you can create a folder into wherever you want to create. Here, just create a folder here and for a project, and then you click into it, and then you can create a Python 3 notebook. And this is your first Python 3 notebook. In here, and you can rename your notebook, like say my first notebook, and say rename. And as I said before, Yellowbrick is not pre-installed by Anaconda, so you have to install it separately. And just to confirm that Yellowbrick is not installed, let's import Yellowbrick now, and click run, and you can see that there's a module not found error, which says there's no module named Yellowbrick. So we will use Anaconda command to install Yellowbrick. Just Google Anaconda Yellowbrick, and you click into this one. Oops. And we can see now the Yellowbrick is in version 0.6 now, and it was updated 7 days ago. And these are the different install dollars for Yellowbrick, and all you need is this line, conda install, and you can copy it, and then you will use Anaconda prompt to install Yellowbrick, and you paste your copied code here, and you hit enter, and you have to wait a little bit for it to solve the environment. Okay, I need to update my Anaconda version. Then it will ask you if you want to proceed the installation or not. You just press Y and enter. And now it's done. And let's go back to the notebook to see if it's really installed. Let's import. Oops, what did it do? Here, import Yellowbrick again, and hit run. Okay, now there's no error message when you import Yellowbrick, which means you already successfully installed Yellowbrick on your computer. In conclusion, I showed you how to install Python 3.6 and Yellowbrick through Anaconda on Windows 10. And just a reminder that if you want to use Conda command line to install any packages, you will need to use the Anaconda prompt, not the command prompt, because that way you might not be able to use the Conda command. And if you have any questions or if you have any comments, you can send me an email through the email address juanluo2008@gmail.com, or just a comment under the video. Thank you so much.